How to remove blocked contacts from WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove blocked contacts from WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove blocked contacts from WhatsApp, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the WhatsApp Messenger app. Then tap on the three dots option from the top right and then just go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings over here, you'll find an option called privacy, so make sure to select the privacy option. And once you select privacy, scroll down here, you'll find an option that is block contacts. Tap on it. Now let's say you happen to block someone over here, so I'll just select someone over here, and once I've done that, if I block them and if I want to delete those block number, to delete them I have to just unblock it, and there is no any other way, because I cannot just delete this, because what if you want to unblock them in the future and then you don't recognize the number? You might say for now, no, I don't want their number, I have to completely delete them. But WhatsApp is a big billion-dollar company. They cannot work on your sentiments. So you have to understand that as a user, if you have to delete those from your block list, you have to unblock them. You cannot just delete them and then let it go forever, because there's always has to be a record for legal reasons. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.